Yes, bish, yes. 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 No, bish, no. Hey, people. Yeah, you see I'm coming at you with a new look. Yes, I am. People, I thought I would start off with that wonderful song that I heard on when I was looking at one of Ellen Poppy 4Baby's videos. Yeah, that song was on there, and it's by Nicki Minaj featuring Soulja Boy, which I haven't heard from him in a long time, you know, but yeah, I like it. Thank God for having, what is that thing, Shazam on your phone, where you could just, you know, take and it's an app, and when you hear something, you just hold it up. And so I held it up to computer so I could see who that song was by, and yeah, there you go. Well, people, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm coming at you. And what is today? Today is Tuesday, June the 3rd. And what am I doing? Yes, I am doing my first video for YouTube of the week. Not the first video for June, because that has been done, but the first video for YouTube a week. And yes, Poetic Old Soul, yes, has done it again. She said, let's do it for June. And anyone else is welcome. We're doing it just for the month of June. Doing one video a week, putting in the hashtag YouTube a week, yeah, for it all to get done. So people, let me go ahead and get started here. Yes, am I going to keep these shades on? Well, just a bit longer, and then I'm going to take them off. But guys, no, I'm going to take them off now, because y'all seeing too much in the mirror of my glasses. But Lord have mercy, y'all, get your eyeglass, no, not your eyeglass, your sunglass game up, okay? Because what? It is going to be summertime. What? June the 21st, right? Yes, right. Correctamundo. Yeah, you want to get your sunglasses, and these are pretty cool. Yes, mirrored sunglasses. All right, people, I got jokes for you. Okay, so yes, guys, if you have checked out my jury haul, that video that I submitted yesterday with the hashtag Ellen Poppy 4Baby, yes, guys, you would know that. Look at me today. I am sporting some of that for you. Yes, I am doing what? Well, I'm including. This really isn't about a face of the day or an outfit of the day or whatever, but I am going to show you what I have on. Yes, of course, guys, remember that nice lavender headband? Yes, I have the headband on. Yes, I do. And I said, asked my daughter this morning, I said, do I look like a kid with this thing up on my head like this in color? She said, no. So here you go, and I feel so retro today. I feel like I'm back in the 60s or 70s with my fro going on. Yeah, headband and these big hoops. Yeah, ain't nothing new under the sun. Everything is coming back, y'all. So let me show you these earrings that are shoulder supported. Yes, I said shoulder supported, because honey, they are light, but yet they're still a little weighty for my ear. So they are held up by this little area of my, well, a collarbone supported. Yes, guys, check out this here. Yes, yeah, these are some big old hoops. Yeah, big ass hoops. Yeah. I have no disclaimers for any language that I use in this video. No, I don't. Look at here. Guys. Yes. Yes. No. Guys, this is for video purposes only. Yes, because when I get off of here, they're coming out. Okay, but they're cute. They're cute. Yeah, yeah. This is really cute. These are cute. This is cuter. Yes. Yes. You see this? Now, I love this. Okay. So, yeah. 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 You like? Looks better on me than in the package, right? Right. Okay. So, guys, you know what? In the makeup arena, we like to use different things for different purposes, right? So, you know, me being the smart individual that I am, you know, you can use cream eyeshadow and turn it around and use it as a blush if it's the right color. Yeah, you can make it a multi-purpose thing. Or you have makeup brushes and you use your brushes for whatever you want to use it for. They can tell you use it for an eyeshadow brush, but you may decide, no, I'm going to use it as a concealer brush because that's what works for you. So I thought, I love a challenge. I've been doing a few eyeshadow palette challenges, and I said, well, let me just do this then. These big earrings. I was going to try to make a purpose for that, right? I said I can try to make this. It wasn't going to be multi-purpose because wearing them as earrings is kind of collarbone supported. So I said, oh, I can make a bracelet out of it. Okay, let me show you something. Oh, I could do the hula hoop. Woo! Get it, girl! Get it! Get it, girl! Oh, okay, well, that was done. That's a fail. Too big for what? Too big for using as a bracelet. So yeah, these might do better. I'll put these on a while. I'm just playing with my jewelry. Yeah, playing around with my jewelry. Okay, guys. So yeah. Enough on that. Well, let me tell you what I got planned for later on in the week. I am going to see a movie that I've been waiting to see. And yes, guys, I don't care. I am a big kid. And I am an Angelina Jolie fan anyway. Yes, she plays the dark characters rather well. So you know that my daughter has asked me to go to the movie. So PTO time is going to be taken, on Thursday. And we are going to see Maleficent. And I just learned how to say it because Maleficent. I mean, I've never heard of it said like that. What is it? Sleeping Beauty is what I thought, you know, the normal name, but ain't nothing normal anymore. You know, the Dark Knight is Batman. He was not dark at all. When I watched him, it was wham, bam, pow. And what happened to Robin? Robin ain't even in the picture. Please tell me what happened to Robin. Okay, all right. Yeah, so anyhow, yeah, anywho. Yes, yeah, so, yeah, nothing is like it used to be. The Joker was really evil and killing folks. I mean, it just, and, you know, it wasn't like it used to be. So, yeah, I'm just, yeah, I'm going to see Maleficent. So I'm excited about that. And let me tell you about, yes, you know, Poetic. Oh, so I've got to call you out. And yes, guys, let me tell you. So, I got this book, finished it, yeah, okay, and I loved it. There were some things in here that really, really, really spoke to me. Guys, I don't know about you, but when you have a book, do you highlight? Okay, somebody's gonna say, you shouldn't mark in your book. That's destroying the book. Well, the key word is, this is my book. Okay, and there was a lot of them that I just highlighted as favorites. So let me see. Oh, let me see. I just want to, I actually was supposed to look this up before I got in here. You know what I'm saying? I like this one. Okay, so since she is so poetic, yeah, she's poetic. Oh, so I'm going to do Be Poetry real quick, okay? Yeah, this is a well-rounded video, okay? It's called Be Poetry. Open wide. Expose yourself. Be naked. Let everyone watch, listen, and see. Be free. Be poetry. Yes. I love that. Be free. Be poetry. Guys, you got to be free. What is it that you guys like to do? What is it that you would like to see happen in your life? Well, you ain't going to see it sitting on your duff. If ain't nothing happening, it's because you ain't doing anything. You're not being free and being whatever it is you're called to be. You know, so yeah, guys, free yourself. Free your mind. You remember that? Who is that? Who is that? Who's that group? Guys, Never mind. It'll take me too long to come up with the name. But anywho, people, I just wanted to stop by. Yeah, say hello. Yeah. Kind of be random with it all, you know. So, yeah. And that really is all I have for you for today. And, guys, I will see you in my next video. And until next time, peace and blessings to each of you. Yes, peace, yes. Woo! Bye, y'all.